Welcome back. So today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest headaches in pretty much any job, research. But I want you to forget everything you know about that endless cycle of switching tabs and losing your train of thought. We're diving into a whole new kind of AI that doesn't just give you answers, it actually works with you, right inside your browser.
I mean, come on, we've all been there, right? You've got like a million tabs open, your desktop is a graveyard of PDFs you downloaded, and you have that sinking feeling that you've completely lost the plot. It's not just annoying, it's a massive waste of your time and your brain power.
You know, the real problem here is how we've been using AI. It's all in a straight line. You ask a question, you get an answer, and that chat history just gets longer and longer. You end up scrolling back and forth just trying to remember what you were thinking. But what if? What if the AI could break out of that little chat box and actually work with you, right on the web page you're looking at? That's the huge shift we're talking about with these in-browser agents. And look, this really takes a bit of a mental adjustment. For the longest time, we've treated AI like a fancy search engine, something we go to for answers. The new way of thinking is to see it as an active partner, basically an AI coworker that's right there with you, ready to jump in and help with the heavy lifting. This is exactly what we mean by an agentic coworker. It's not passive. It doesn't just sit around waiting for your next question. It actually executes tasks. It's pulling info, it's organizing your sources, it's structuring your notes, all without you ever having to leave the page. It's like having a true digital colleague. So let's meet the first member of our AI team. This one is all about pure, unadulterated speed. Think of it as a specialist you call when you need answers like yesterday. For anyone in marketing or analysis, you're going to want to pay close attention to this. Okay, so this is Datarag AI, and it's built for one thing and one thing only: efficiency. It's a super lightweight Chrome extension, and its whole job is to give you an instant breakdown of any web page you're on, with basically zero friction. And you know, its power really comes from how simple it is. It works right there on the live page, no crazy setup needed. This makes it absolutely perfect for things like competitor analysis. You can just land on a rival's website, fire up Datarag, and instantly start pulling out their key data points. And the best part? You can get started for free. But what about when speed just isn't enough? What if your research demands some serious depth, some real academic muscle? Well, for that, you need to bring in the powerhouse. And here it is, Paperguide. Now, this isn't just a quick assistant. It's more like a full-blown research librarian living in your browser. It's designed for people who need heavy-duty features for managing sources, checking the quality of academic papers, and pulling out really structured data for deep work. Now we're getting into the pro-level stuff. Paperguide plugs right into tools you already use, like Zotero. It's got an AI writer that automatically adds citations from the sources you've saved. It even helps you figure out if a research paper is any good by using established academic rankings. This thing is basically a complete research command center. 50. Okay, so what's up with this number? This, right here, is Paperguide's killer feature. It lets you extract data from all your sources and sort it into as many as 50 different custom columns. Just let that sink in for a second. Imagine being able to break down your research with that level of detail and organization. You could literally never do that manually. Okay, but what if your brain just doesn't work in neat columns and rows? For all you visual thinkers out there, the people who like to map things out, our last tool completely shatters that linear approach. Say hello to Ponder. And honestly, it's like Figma but for your research. It solves that classic problem of getting lost in a long, scrolling chat log. Instead of a list, you get this huge, infinite canvas. You can just drop your sources, PDFs, articles, whatever, and start building a visual map of how everything connects. And this comparison just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got that rigid, one-way street of a normal AI chat. And on the right, you have the total freedom of an infinite canvas, where ideas can branch out, connect in weird ways, and just grow organically. You never lose sight of the big picture. So here we are. We've met 3 incredibly powerful AI coworkers. The big question now is, which one should you hire for your team? Well, the answer really depends on what job you need done. So let's break it down.
It really is this simple. If your job is all about speed, quick market research, scanning competitor sites, getting data in real time, then Datarag AI is your tool. No contest. If you need serious academic depth, structured analysis, and perfect citations, Paperguide is the absolute powerhouse. And if you're tackling big, complex projects and you think by mapping things out visually, Ponder is going to completely change the game for you.
You see, the future of research isn't about finding one single AI that does everything. It's about building your own team of specialized assistants that work right there with you. So take a look at your own workflow. Which one are you hiring first?